Welcome to Creative Biolabs. 100% of the effort, 100% of the service. Since 2004, we have been sparing no efforts to push the antibody development field forward. 1,000 publications, 1,000 projects, 10,000 customers, and 50 countries. Numbers never lie. As a dynamic contract research organization, we are based in New York and serve the whole world. Our seasoned scientists are skilled in antibody discovery, antibody engineering, and biomanufacturing solutions. We own a series of advanced technology platforms. Humanized Mice Platform helps discover fully human therapeutic antibodies in a natural way. De novo antibody sequencing technology enables 100% accurate distinction between leucine and isoleucine. Therapeutic antibody development technology guarantees endotoxin-free antibodies are fully functional and ready to use in animal-based assays. Our PhD-level team, with over 10 years' experience, offers insightful solutions in a timely, effective manner. A project manager will be appointed to customize your proposal design, sample analysis, and final report. Any questions? Contact us by email or directly call the project manager.